The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 introduces a noticeably different design from its predecessor, the Galaxy Watch 7, with a slimmer profile, a flatter fit on the wrist, and a dial that shifts from a traditional circle to a more squarish circular shape. Samsung has also altered the band connector system, meaning older quick-release bands are no longer compatible. Available in 40mm and 44mm sizes, both with optional LTE versions, the watch features a bright, crisp, and highly legible display that performs well outdoors. Powered by the same Exynos W1000 processor, the interface remains smooth and efficient. The Galaxy Watch 8 debuts with One UI Watch 8, based on Google's Wear OS 6, featuring a refreshed interface and integration with Gemini. It introduces advanced Galaxy AI-driven health and fitness tools, including antioxidant index monitoring, bedtime guidance, a mindfulness tracker, vascular load measurement, and a running coach. New software functions include the Now bar, offering quick access to essential information via gesture shortcuts, and customizable multi-info tiles, allowing users to view multiple data sources simultaneously. While the watch is slightly heavier than its predecessor, the improvement in battery life is modest, which may disappoint some users. However, Samsung promises 4 years of OS and security updates, ensuring long-term usability. With its sleek design, robust features, and smart health tracking, the Galaxy Watch 8 stands out as a versatile and highly capable smartwatch.